Hanging pictures should be fun. It's about adding your personal style to your home. But we've all been there. You're excited to hang that new picture. Then it ends up crooked. Or you put a bunch of extra holes in the wall. It gets frustrating. Don't worry, I'm here to share a simple trick. It will make hanging pictures a breeze. Say goodbye to crooked frames and hello to a perfectly decorated space. This trick is all about using something you might already have, a laser level. With a laser level, you can say goodbye to those common hanging headaches. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to get your pictures straight and level the first time. Let's get started and transform your walls with confidence. We've all been there, staring at a picture that's just slightly off-center. Or maybe you've hammered in nail after nail only to end up with a constellation of holes in your wall. It's frustrating, right? You carefully measure twice, maybe even 3 times. But somehow the picture ends up crooked. Or you think you've found the perfect spot, only to realize it's too high, too low, or just not quite right. And let's not forget about the tools. Sometimes it feels like you need a degree in engineering just to figure out how to use a stud finder. Then there's the struggle of trying to keep the picture level while you're holding it up with one hand and hammering with the other. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this difficult. There's a simple tool that can eliminate these frustrations and help you hang pictures like a pro. Remember those cool laser beams you see in movies? They always seem so futuristic and high-tech, right? Well, what if I told you that you could harness that same technology to make your home projects easier and more precise? Well, they're not just for special effects. In fact, laser levels are incredibly practical tools that can transform the way you approach DIY tasks. A laser level is a game changer when it comes to hanging pictures. Imagine never having to worry about crooked frames or uneven spacing again. Think of a laser level as your own personal guide to perfectly straight lines. It's like having a professional assistant right there with you, ensuring everything is just right. It projects a bright beam of light onto your wall, creating a clear straight line that you can follow with ease. This acts as a visual guide, taking all the guesswork out of getting things level. No more second guessing or constant adjustments. No more eyeballing it or hoping for the best. Say goodbye to the frustration of misaligned frames. With a laser level, you'll know exactly where to place your nails or picture hooks. This precision means less time spent measuring and more time enjoying your perfectly hung pictures. This means perfectly straight pictures, no more crooked frames. Your walls will look like they were done by a professional. The laser beam ensures your pictures are aligned just right. Fewer mistakes. This tool minimizes errors, making your DIY project smoother and more enjoyable. That means fewer extra holes in your wall, no more patching up mistakes or dealing with unsightly marks. Your walls will thank you. Faster hanging. You'll be amazed at how much quicker it is to hang pictures when you have a laser level guiding you. It's a real time saver. You'll be amazed at how much quicker it is to hang pictures when you have a laser level guiding you. It's a real time saver. Ready to ditch the frustration and embrace effortless hanging? Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your pictures perfectly aligned on the first try. Let's gather the tools you'll need. With a laser level in your toolkit, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Get ready to transform your walls and elevate your home decor game. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's make sure you have everything you need. Having the right tools on hand will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, it ensures that your pictures will be hung securely and look great on your walls. Don't worry, you won't need a truckload of tools. Just a few essential items will do the trick. Let's go through them one by one so you know exactly what to gather before we start. Here's your essential hanging kit. These are the must-have tools that will make hanging pictures a breeze. Laser level. This is the star of the show. A laser level helps you ensure that your pictures are perfectly aligned, giving your wall a professional look. You can find laser levels at most hardware stores. They come in various models, so choose one that fits your needs and budget. Look for one that's easy to use and has good battery life. A user-friendly model will save you time and frustration. Measuring tape. Accurate measurements are key to a successful hang. This tool ensures that your pictures are spaced correctly and hung at the right height. Make sure you have a measuring tape handy to determine the perfect placement for your pictures. It's a simple tool, but it makes a big difference. Pencil. You'll need a pencil to lightly mark the wall where you'll be placing your picture hooks. Choose a pencil that can be easily erased to avoid any permanent marks. Picture hooks or nails. Choose the appropriate hanging hardware based on the weight and size of your pictures. Heavier frames will need sturdier hooks or nails. Hammer. If you're using nails, grab a hammer to secure the hooks to your wall. Make sure it's a comfortable size for you to handle. Painter's tape, optional. This is helpful for marking the position of your laser level on the wall without leaving any residue. It's a great way to keep your walls clean and mark positions accurately. Gather your tools and let's get ready to transform your walls. With these essentials in hand, you'll be well prepared to hang your pictures like a pro. Let's get started. Section 5. Laser level setup. Laying the foundation for a straight and level hang. Now for the fun part, using the laser level. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to hang pictures, shelves, or any wall decor with precision. Most laser levels are pretty straightforward to use. Here's a quick rundown. 1. Insert batteries. This is the first step to ensure your device is powered up and ready to go. Make sure your laser level has fresh batteries. It's always a good idea to start with new batteries to avoid any interruptions during your project. You don't want the beam to die mid-hang. 2. Turn it on. This is where the magic begins. Most laser levels have a simple on-off switch. Just flip it and you'll see the laser beam come to life. Flip the switch and watch the magic happen as the laser beam appears. 3. Position the level. This step is crucial for accuracy. Place your laser level on a stable surface, like a small table or even a stack of books. Stability is key to ensuring your laser line remains straight. You want it to be level and pointing towards the area where you'll be hanging your picture. 4. Adjust as needed. This ensures the beam is perfectly aligned. Most laser levels have adjustable bases. These allow you to fine-tune the position of the laser beam. Use these to make sure the laser beam is projecting perfectly horizontally or vertically, depending on what you need. This flexibility is what makes laser levels so versatile. Now you have a perfectly straight line to guide you as you hang your pictures. With this tool, you can achieve professional results with minimal effort. Happy hanging! Section 6. Positioning your artwork, finding the perfect spot on your wall. With your laser level set up, it's time to decide where your masterpiece will shine. This is where your personal style comes in, but here are a few tips. Eye level. A good rule of thumb is to hang pictures so that the center of the image is at eye level. This ensures the artwork is easily viewable. Consider the surroundings. Think about the furniture and other elements in the room. How will the picture look above the sofa or centered on that empty wall? Don't be afraid to experiment. Use painter's tape to mark different positions on the wall. This allows you to visualize how the picture will look before you commit to hammering any nails. Once you've found the perfect spot, use your laser level as a guide to ensure it's level. Section 7. Marking and hanging, bringing your vision to life. Now it's time to make it permanent. With your laser level projecting a straight line onto your wall, you can confidently mark the spot for your picture hook. Mark the spot. Use a pencil to lightly mark the wall where the laser beam intersects with the top center of your picture frame, or where you'll need to place your picture hook. Install the hook. Carefully hammer in your picture hook or nail at the spot you just marked, ensuring it's securely in place. Hang your picture. Gently hang your picture frame onto the hook. Step back and admire your handiwork. Your picture is perfectly level and straight, thanks to the magic of laser levels. Section 8. Fine-tuning and adjustments, adding those professional touches. Even with the precision of a laser level, you might want to make some minor adjustments after hanging your picture. Here are a few tips for that finishing touch. Double-check alignment. Step back and take a look at your picture from different angles. Is it still perfectly level? If not, gently adjust the frame until it's just right. Use spacers, optional. For a more polished look, consider using small, clear spaces on the back of the frame. This creates a subtle gap between the picture and the wall, adding a professional touch. Leveling multiple pictures. If you're hanging multiple pictures, use the laser level to ensure they're all aligned with each other. This creates a cohesive and visually appealing display. With a few finishing touches, your pictures will look like they were hung by a pro. Section 9. Enjoy your masterpiece. You did it. Congratulations. You've mastered the art of hanging pictures with the help of a laser level. No more crooked frames, no more unnecessary holes in the wall, just perfectly hung pictures every time. Remember, this simple hack can be used for hanging all sorts of things around your home, from mirrors and shelves to decorative plates and artwork. So go ahead, embrace your inner DIYer and transform your walls with confidence.